With Filmora 11 beta, you can easily add motion tracking mosaic to objects that you don't want to show. You can use mosaic, stickers, or anything that you find online to hide the unwanted objects. Add mosaic and blur moving faces in a video. The motion tracking allows you to easily mark moving objects in your video. All it takes is a few clicks. Once the tracking is completed, preview and adjust the mosaic to the way you like it. Once the tracking is completed, preview and adjust the mosaic to your preference. Instead of using plain mosaic to cover things, you have the option to select stickers or images from the web. Step 1. Import media to timeline. Drag and drop video footage to video track in the timeline. Cut, trim or delete as needed. Step 2. Double-click footage on the timeline. Click on motion tracking, take on motion tracking, start tracking, preview and adjust the tracking frame. Select Add a Mosaic in the drop-down menu. Step 3. Preview and adjust the mosaic type, blur amount, opacity by double-clicking the mosaic effect on the timeline.
Let's take it real.